So today I'm going to be talking to you about dietary protein. So protein is essential for life. Without it, we could not survive. It is what our body is mainly built out of. So it's the body's main building blocks. It's important not only for the structure of our body, but also for functional roles, enzymes, central life-producing reactions, signaling pathways, and transport that makes our cells work, that makes our body function on a day-to-day basis. It's essential for brain function, immune system function, muscle strength, growth, and function, skin integrity, as well as transporting nutrients. Not only that, but protein in your meals keeps you full. You eat a low-protein meal, and you're going to be hungrier much, much sooner and require grazing throughout the day, which isn't any way to keep your energy levels up, nor give your body the life-sustaining nutrients that it requires, which is protein. Now, all protein is not created equal. You get plant protein and you get animal protein. Now, if you look at our body as running on a certain operating system, similar to what animals would be running on, then you would say the plants run on a different operating system, and they would require different nutrients for their optimal survival. So it is not surprising that if we eat plant proteins as our main protein source, we are not going to easily meet our own operating system's requirements or protein requirements. Whereas if we eat something of a similar operating system, if you will, such as animal proteins, then we will be getting proteins in the form, in the quality and the quantities that we require for our optimal health. This is called high biological value proteins. So it is important that for optimal, you rely primarily on animal proteins as your primary source of protein and plant proteins to top that up. So let's take a closer look at how that looks. So you would choose things like meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, and dairy as your primary protein source to give your body all the structural and functional protein that it requires, and top that up for extra health benefits with plant proteins, such as legumes, nuts, seeds, even some grains. So basically, in order to meet this requirement, in order to have your body functioning optimally and smoothly at its best, from a protein perspective, you would be eating probably 2 to 3 servings of dairy in the form of probably milk or fermented milk, yogurt, cheese, and then another 2 to 3 servings of animal proteins in another form, meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, for the rest of the day. So that would look like maybe 1 cup of yogurt, maybe some grated cheese, or it might look like 1 cup of milk and some cheese or yogurt. And then also it would look like maybe 2 chicken breast sized portions of meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs in addition to that to meet most teenagers' protein requirements.